Let's grow together, the language of gardening. Hello, and welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we are diving into a relaxing and rewarding hobby: gardening. Not only will we discuss how gardening can recharge your mind and body, but also we will enrich your vocabulary and improve your conversational skills. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, and what's better than practicing while talking about something you love? Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with some gardening vocabulary. In every hobby or activity, there are specific terms and phrases, and gardening is no different. Gardeners. These are the people who engage in gardening. Tools. Gardening requires various tools such as a shovel, a rake, a hose, pruning shears, and more. Plants. The main stars of any garden are the plants, which can include flowers, trees, vegetables, and herbs. Garden beds. These are the areas where you plant your seeds or plants. Weeding. This is the process of removing unwanted plants from your garden. Pruning. This involves trimming plants to help them grow better. Watering. Giving your plants the right amount of water is crucial. Use these words to start a conversation about your gardening experiences or plans. Now that you know the basic vocabulary, let's put them into sentences. After all, language learning is all about communication. 1. I enjoy gardening because it's relaxing and rewarding. 2. On weekends, I usually spend a couple of hours weeding the garden. 3. I use a shovel to prepare the garden beds for planting. 4. I have a variety of plants in my garden, including flowers, vegetables, and herbs. 5. I need to buy new pruning shears to help my roses grow better. Questions help us engage in deeper conversations. Let's go through some common questions about gardening, and how you might respond. 1. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I find it very relaxing. 2. What tools do you use in your garden? I mostly use a rake, a shovel, and a hose. 3. What kind of plants do you have? I have a mix of flowers and vegetables in my garden. 4. How often do you spend time weeding? I usually weed my garden once a week. And that's a wrap on our lesson about gardening and English language learning. We hope this video will not only inspire you to explore gardening but also enrich your English vocabulary and conversation skills. Keep practicing, keep talking, and always remember to enjoy the process. Until our next video, happy gardening and happy learning!